Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about commercial banks and cooperative banks and what is the difference between them. Definition of commercial banks. Commercial bank refers to the banking company which is established to serve individuals, organizations and businesses. It is a financial institution which is authorized to accept deposits from the general public and grant credit to them. They are governed by the Banking Regulation Act 1949 and supervised by the Reserve Bank of India. Now let's see the definition of cooperative banks. Cooperative banks are the financial institutions that are owned and run by their customers and operates on the principle of one person, one vote. The bank is governed by both banking and cooperative legislation as they are registered under the Cooperative Society Act 1965 and regulated by the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, that is NABARD, and Reserve Bank of India. They operate in both rural as well as urban areas and provide credit to borrowers and businesses. Now let's see the comparison between the commercial bank and the cooperative bank. In case of registration, commercial banks are registered under Banking Regulation Act 1949, whereas cooperative banks they are registered under Cooperative Society Act 1965. Now let's see the main functions of commercial bank. That is, commercial bank accepts deposits from public and grant loan to the individuals and businesses, whereas cooperative banks they accept deposits from members and public for the purpose of granting loans to farmers, rural industries or small businesses. Now let's see the area of operation. In commercial banks operate over a larger area. Some commercial banks even have branches in foreign countries, whereas in cooperative area of operation of cooperative banks is limited and confined to state. They do not operate at national or international level. The next one is motive of operation. In commercial banks, their main motive is profit, whereas cooperative banks, their motive is service to the customers. The next one is borrowers. The in commercial banks, the main borrowers are the only the account holders, whereas in cooperative banks, members they are the members that influence the credit policy by the voting power. In case of commercial banks, they do not have voting powers. The next one is availability of funds. Commercial banks, they have massive funds are available at the disposal of commercial banks. Whereas in case of cooperative banks, they have limited funds are available at the disposal of cooperative banks. Banking services. Commercial banks offer an array of services such as deposit accounts, uh, like fixed deposit, recurring deposit, saving account, current account, etc. They also provide loans such as auto loan, home loan, and so on. ATM services, credit and debit card facility. They also act as an agent for collection of checks, bill of exchange. In addition to that, they also provide safeguards to the property and wealth of persons and also transfer of money. Whereas in case of cooperative banks, they are the owners and customers of the bank at the same time. The bank offers services like deposit accounts such as saving and current account, safekeeping of valuables like locker facility, loan and mortgage to the customers. The next one is The sector. Commercial banks in India, they are of two types, that is public sector banks and private sector banks, whereas cooperative sector banks are private sector banks only. Commercial banks, they provide less rate of interest on deposits, whereas cooperative banks, they provide slightly higher rate of interest on deposits. Regarding nationalization, commercial banks, at present 19 commercial banks have been nationalized in India, whereas in India cooperative banks are not nationalized. Merchant banking services. Commercial banks, they provide merchant banking services such as advising the companies regarding the public issue of shares, whereas cooperative banks do not provide merchant banking services. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.